Let's move on to the next module. The next module is again similar to the previous two modules. Find the missing term, but there is a difference. What? Let's see. The next sum is, in the following AP, find the missing terms and look at the difference. In all the sums that we did so far, the value of A was given to us. Here the value of A is not given to us. So here we will have to find A as well as D and then find the missing terms. Because to find the missing terms we need two things, A and D. Right? Let's do it. So here the question is finding the missing terms. Here the missing term is the first term, that is A, and the third term, that is A3. So the missing terms here are A and A3. Right? And for that, what is given to us? A2 and A4. Now with the help of these two, A2 and A4, we need to find the value of A, the value of D, hence find the missing terms. Clear? Let's see how. A2 is equal to 13 and A4 is equal to 3. First, let's work on A2, okay? And we will get something. What? Let's see. We know that A2 is equal to A plus D, right? The value of A2 is 13. We don't know A, we don't know D, so 13 is equal to A plus D. As you all can see, we can't do anything to this particular equation. So we are actually getting a linear equation in two variables. Let this be equation number 1. Right? Once A2 is done, now let's move on to A4. For A4, we know that A4 is equal to A plus 3D. The value of A4 is 3, so we get 3 is equal to A plus 3D. Again, we don't know A, we don't know D, we can't do anything here. We are getting one more linear equation in two variables, right? So here you all can see equation 1 and equation 2 are basically linear equations in two variables A and D. We need to solve them, and to solve them, we need to add or subtract. We can see the coefficient of A is exactly the same. So we can eliminate A, and to eliminate A, because the signs of A are also the same, we need to subtract the two equations. The concept of linear equations in two variables that you must have seen, right? Now let's subtract equation number 1 from 2. Whenever you subtract equation 1 from 2, the equation 2 comes first. Then you write the first equation, right? And whenever you are subtracting, don't forget to change the signs, right? The concept of linear equations in two variables, the method is elimination by equating the coefficients, right? A and A gets cancelled, 3D minus D will become 2D, and 3 minus 13 will become 10, minus 10. 2D is equal to minus 10, 2 goes to the denominator, you get D is equal to minus 5. Once you get the value of D, now to find the value of A, substitute either in the first equation or in the second equation. Something which you already know, right? So substituting D is equal to minus 5 in equation number 1, we get A plus of minus 5 is equal to 13. We get A minus 5 is equal to 13, so you get A is equal to 13 plus 5, which is 18. We got A, we got D, now we can easily find the missing terms. Rather, the first missing term is already we have got, A is equal to 18. Now let's find the second. How to find the second? The second missing term is A3. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. What is A? 18. What is D? Minus 5. So it's 18 plus 2 into minus 5. It's 18 minus 10, which is equal to 8. So A3 is equal to 8. A is equal to 18. So your missing terms are 18 and 8. Very, very simple. Let's quickly move on to the next sum. A similar sum. Again, you all can see A is not given to us. A2 is given to us. A3, A4, A5 are missing. And minus 22, that is A6 is given to us. So let's find the missing terms. The missing terms are A3, A4, A5. For what is given to us? A2 is given and A6 are given. A2 is given, A6 are given. From these two, first work on A2, you will get one linear equation in two variables. A6, you will get the second linear equation in two variables. Solve, you get the values of A and D. Once you do that, you automatically get all the missing terms, right? Let's do it. For A2, we know A2 is equal to A plus D. So 38 is equal to A plus D. So A plus D is equal to 38, equation number 1. For A6, we know A6 is equal to A plus 5D, which is minus 22 is equal to A plus 5D. Let this be equation number 2. So we get linear equations in two variables. We can solve them. By the method, the coefficient of a is the same, the signs are also the same, so we need to subtract. Same signs, subtract, right? Subtracting 1 from 2, equation number 2 comes first, then comes equation number 1. Don't forget to change the signs. A and A gets cancelled, you get 4D, minus 22 minus 38 is minus 60, right? You get D is equal to minus 60 upon 4, that's minus 15. Once you get the value of D, is the sum over? No, we need to find the value of A. How to do that? Substitute D in either of the two equations. So substituting D is equal to minus 15 in equation number 1, you get A plus minus 15 is equal to 38. Minus 15 plus minus 15 is minus 15, goes to the other side, you get A is equal to 38 plus 15, which is equal to 53. Once you get A, once you get D, now you easily can find the missing terms, that is A3, A4, A5. How do we do it? A3 is equal to A plus 2D, which is 53 plus 2 into minus 15, which is 53 minus 30, which is equal to 23. A4 is equal to A plus 3D, which is equal to 53 plus 3 into minus 15, that's 53 minus 45, which is equal to 8. And A5 is equal to A plus 4D, which is equal to 53 plus 4 into minus 15, that's 53 minus 60, which is equal to minus 7. So as you all can see, the missing terms are 53, 23, 8 and minus 7. Lengthy, but very, very simple, right?